Season's greetings from STL. We want to take a moment to thank you for choosing us for your training needs this year. We are grateful for the opportunity to be your trusted advisor. So please join us as we prepare to see out 2024. This year, we maintained arguably the largest public schedule of training courses available for businesses in the UK. Our instructor-led training is available both face-to-face and online, with live pricing, availability and booking, all with complete peace of mind as courses are never cancelled. We are proud to provide solutions across our diverse training portfolio, including Microsoft applications, professional development, management and leadership development, sales and customer service, and project management. Our offerings cater to a wide range of business needs, ensuring productivity and efficiency gains. Some of our training program highlights this year include Microsoft apps, including Copilot, Excel, Power BI, and other 365 training. Numerous soft skills and management training programs, as well as graduate training in the UK and internationally. We are thrilled to end the year with ongoing high satisfaction scores like 98.8% recommendation, over 100,000 searchable testimonials, and rated excellent on Trustpilot. Wishing everyone a great festive holiday. We look forward to adding value and boosting performance in 2025. Thank you and happy holidays from STL. Oh, and don't forget, you can book online 24/7 throughout the holidays, and our elves will be on hand to take inquiries during business hours.